Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the Find My Phone feature on the Garmin Instinct Crossover watch. I'm using the solar version. It shouldn't matter whether you've got the solar or non-solar version. This video should work the same for everybody. This is really a simple functionality. Now I'm going to show you how to do it on the watch. The setting as far as being able to get to it, you can do either on the watch or you can do it on your cell phone. Obviously, if you're trying to find your cell phone, you would be using the function on the watch. You could set this as a hotkey. The easiest way to do it is add it to your control menu up here at the top left. I've already done that. I've done a video in the past that walks you through editing and customizing your control menu. I've already got it, so let's press and hold the top left button. Let's go into this option. Now, the one thing I'll say that you have to have in order for this to work is you have to have your cell phone connected. The icons look very similar. You'll notice that I have this icon in my control menu and I have this icon in my control menu. This is the Find My Phone one. The difference between the icons is this one shows a phone and a question mark. The phone connected one shows a phone and a Bluetooth icon. You'll notice if I disconnect my phone, it also puts a line through Find My Phone, because the only way the Find My Phone function will work is if you are connected to your cell phone. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to reconnect my cell phone. And then all I'm going to do if I want to find my phone is I'm going to go to the Find My Phone feature and I'm going to press the GPS button. I have my phone laying here. And basically that's what's going to happen. It pings my phone. I can simply press the back button once I've found my phone and that will stop the function. It's one of those things that seems silly. Out of all of the control menu options, it's the one I use the most often because I can never keep track of where I left my phone. Anyway, I hope the video helps, at least shows you how it works on the Garmin Instinct Crossover watch. Thanks for watching.